Alright, so we're going to kind of turn this into a car care video, not just a review of that. I might cut it down and post 2 videos, chop it up, but so the Ryobi 1600 psi, I've had that thing forever. I couldn't even tell you how long, probably 12 years, and that thing is awesome. I winterize it every year, make sure all the water's out of it. I keep it in the shed to keep it above freezing. That thing works great. This is the short wand I bought off of Amazon. Couldn't tell you the brand name. I know it was only like 15 bucks. Had mixed reviews. I have no issues with it. So the local place I have is Aratari in Rochester on Carter Street. They've recently sold again and changed the store around. They don't carry a lot of stuff that they used to, so I'm kind of shying away from going to that place. This is Green Nitro. This grease cleaner is awesome. I use it straight. You can cut it. If you have a dirty interior, or your headliner is dirty, or even a dirty pair of shoes, or you want to clean a hat, this shit doesn't smell bad. It works great. Spray it on there, scrub it in, wipe it off with a microfiber towel. If you want to get rid of the stench, spray some fresh clean water on it, give it another wipe down. This stuff works great. This is the car wash I use, DM, and I use it in my foam cannon. Again, I got this on Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks. Came with a whole bunch of different fittings. And then for my detailer, I use this Hyper Dressing Meguiar. It's by Meguiar's. I bought this first to try it. Now I get it in a gallon. You definitely have to cut it. I messed up and put it straight from there, and yeah, no, this bottle is definitely cut. So it says ready to use. I figured that out the hard way, but this stuff works great. This stuff will make your you know, use this on your floor mats and then spray it down with the Hyper Dressing, and it looks factory brand new, not slippery, not slick at all. You can use it on your dashboard. I don't use it on my dash. I use the Meguiar's wipes. Work great. So that's a Hyper Dressing. I use this to dress my rims. I use it to dress my tires. I use it to clean the engine bay. I use it on the floor mats. I use it on all the plastic trim inside. It's not greasy. Stuff works great. I use that to spot clean any tar or bugs. This stuff works great. It's kind of like a crappy Cerakote. It really does make your wax last longer. So this is what I use. And now the iron remover. I am 100% impressed with this. The Aratari, I was buying the stuff from there. It was like 50 or 60 bucks a gallon, like 55 something. This isn't cheap. This is 12 bucks for this bottle. I got this at the Walmarts. It was only like 10 cents cheaper on Amazon, so I just bought it because I was at Walmart. It's 24 fluid ounces, so it honestly, if you bought this, a gallon's worth of this, it's gonna probably work out to be the 55 or 60 bucks a gallon. But this stuff, way better than the professional stuff. I don't know, Meguiar's is stepping up their game. This we just tried on my winter rims for both trucks to get that clean to put away. I used to use the A to Z. I'm not using the A to Z anymore. This stuff works mint, and I am going to continue to use that. And yeah, and then the brush, that is awesome. I highly recommend it. So we're gonna get the truck dried off, and I'll show you how I use the Hyper Dressing.